Hi everyone! In this short video, I'd like to introduce you to the very basics of select statement. We will discuss the syntax of these statements and I will provide you the examples using the database, online database. Then you can repeat after me everything you've seen in this video. First of all, if you do not know what databases are and what testers can do with databases, you can follow the link and see our previous video devoted to this topic. So let's go to practice. You can see at this very simple example the real SQL statement which provides you with opportunity. It starts with select always, and here after select you should provide the titles of the columns, then after from the table, the name of the table you're going to take these columns from, and also you can provide some search conditions, some parameters. For example, I want to select email address and company names from the table contents, but only where city is Seattle. Maybe these examples will be more obvious for you if we will try to do on a real database. So first of all, the most basic query, the most basic select query is opportunity to select all the values. To do it, you should just insert asterisk, then from, and then the title of the table. You can see we have on the right part of my screen we have a lot of different tables, so let's select all the information from the customers table. Okay, and here you can see that there are a lot like about 91 lines in this customer table, and here are all the columns I have here. But what if I don't really need to have information about all the columns? Here I can provide the name of this column, the name of the columns I want to select, and I will have the results only with this column. So let it be, I'd like to have only like contact name, maybe city and country. Let it be like that. City and country. Here you can see select the titles of the columns and from what table, from customers. When I will run this query, you can see that only the columns specified in my queries are left. What else can I do? Let's go back to the whole relation, yeah, to the whole table again. Let's imagine I'd like to select only the first five columns. To do it, actually, I can use different statements. For example, if I'm working with Microsoft SQL server, I will use this statement select top, and here I should provide how many top lines I'd like to select from what table. But here, W3 schools are working with MySQL bench. And to select top five lines, I will use actually another syntax. So to do it, I just should write down limit 5. After, okay, I have select everything from customers and limit 5. And here, after clicking yeah, run SQL, only 5 lines are left. Also, what else I can do with select statement? Let's imagine that I've got a table with repetitive rows, but I'd like to select only distinct one, yeah, only unique rows. For example, in the customer, I've got a lot of different countries. Yeah, if I remove the limit again, you can see that there are a lot of different countries, but they are actually repetitive. What if I want to gather the information only about unique countries? So to do it, I will just write the word distinct, yeah, and provide the column I'd like to have distinct values from. So let's run the column, and here you can see I've got only unique names of the countries, no repetitions, and only 21 records. What else I can do with this table? Again, let's go back to the full table of customers. um, let's imagine that I need to order the information in this table. And I can do it actually in two ways. I can sort selected rows in the column in ascending or descending order, and all should I do is just to provide order by and the name of the column. And if I want to order them in ascending order, I will write ASC, and in descending order DESC. Yeah, so let's order the customers by their countries again. So order by uh, country, and let's start with ascending order. Actually, it doesn't mean what letters do you use, capital or lowercase. Okay, yeah, it's mistake from my side, country. Yeah, and now if I will see if I will look at the country column, you will see that it starts with A and goes in ascending order. I can replace ascending by descending, and the system will sort. Again, look at the country column, and the system will do it in another order. Also, I suppose one of the most important possibilities, I can select rows according to some parameter. Yeah, you remember our the very first slide. For example, let's imagine that I'd like to select the customers only from one city. I should use where operator where clause and should write down like to specify this parameter. So I'd like to select customers where city uh, is London. The string values should be provided in these commas. Yeah, so run SQL, and here you can see that the system selected only the customers where city is London. Also, it works for the numbers. For example, let's go to the products uh, table, yeah, to the product relation, and here we have like numeric values, price. Let me select the values where price, let it be higher than 20. If I will run, yeah, you will see that only the price with higher than 20 are selected. What is more important, here is just example where I can select rows according to one parameter, but actually I can set two parameters. Let's imagine that I'd like to select some products which price are higher than 20, and let it be the category ID is 2. So category ID, yeah, is 2. What will happen? Okay, so now you can see the system selected for me only the products with price which is higher than 20 and category ID is 2. So this is like two parameters. Also, actually, I can ask the system to select the products which can fit whether one parameter or the second parameter. For example, I'd like to select products with the price higher than 20 or the category is 2. If you will run this SQL, you will see that now the list is like much longer because now the system applied two different parameters. Yeah, so it verifies that the price is higher than 20 or the category ID is 2. What else can be done? Also, very useful possibility is to select rows according to some parameters where you can provide specific values in the brackets. It can be done using in operator, where clause and in operator. So I'd like to select the products where price in in this scope, let it be like 17, 18, I don't know, and let it be like 30. Now the system will analyze, yeah, the database will analyze the values and select me only the products with these particular prices. Okay, and now you can see only these particular prices are selected. And here is all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. Try to do it by yourself and see you on the next video, which will be devoted to selecting the information using like operator. So see you. Bye.